Aware of the tragedy that took place last night in Miradi village in Embakasi East, where a gas explosion resulted into fire, causing deaths and serious injuries. And the president asked me to move around and take charge of the situation, because as an administration we have a responsibility to come through for the people of Kenya when they get caught up in difficult situations. And I have been to Miradi village and have seen the anguish that Kenyans have gone through, the destruction, the deaths, the injuries. And as of now,